Hello everyone and welcome back. In the last video we have created one model class to handle our all the fields and understand the flow of applications. In this video we are going to store all the fields in our model object. So go to the add journal activity and add reference dot get download URL. Now here we are getting the downloadable URL of the image dot add on success listener and new on success listener. Now in this we will save all the fields inside the model class object. Okay, why we done this step? Because we want to save, because we have to save the images in two places, one at the collections, one in the storage reference. So model take journal object is equal to new model. Now journal object dot, now set each and every fields, that is current date, next is thought, that is get thoughts, next is title, next is image URL. Now we need to take one string in which we will store the URI, that is URI dot get to string. We are converting this to string because it is in the format of URI. Now we have saved the images also. Now we need to save the timestamp, that is new timestamp, new date. Set the username, that is a current username. Also set the user ID. Alright. Now we need to save this object in the collections, that we are going to create new collections with the name that we have created, that is with the name of journal data. Now collection reference, with that reference dot add, now add that object, that is journal object dot add on success listener. Now here finally our data is saved to the collections. Now we can move from this activity to the all journal activity. So let's first invisible the progress bar, also make it visible. We have make it visible, same in the on failure. So let's start activity, new intent. Now from here we will move to all journal activity. We will create this activity. Go to package, create new activity, empty activity, and give it a name same to that class, that is all journal. Okay, now finish. Also we need to initialize the storage reference, that is m storage reference is equal to firebase file storage dot get instance dot get reference, otherwise it will throw an exception. Now let's run it. Okay, now let's create new user, that is matt@gmail.com and any password. Now sign up. Alright, here is the date and username. Now let's add one image. Alright, let's give some title. Let's doing this. I'm grateful for, any message you can type. Alright, add journal. Now let's go to the firebase. Now refresh it. Now there is a folder which the name which I have given. Now inside this is the image. Let's open it. Now that is the image detail and this is the image which we have uploaded. Let's go to the database and check whether the collection is created or not. Now go to collections, database. Now there is the user journal and there is a unique document of it, and inside it there is a whole data, that is current date, image URL, title, username and timestamp. Alright, I will see you next video guys. Thank you.